Noise-induced hearing loss in South Africa, a growing concern. Introduction. Noise-induced hearing loss, NIHL, is a significant occupational health issue caused by prolonged exposure to high noise levels, above 85 dB. Irreversible damage to the inner ear, affecting quality of life and productivity. High-risk industries in South Africa. Mining, drilling, blasting, and heavy machinery contribute to high noise levels. Manufacturing, loud machinery and factory environments increase risk. Construction, power tools and heavy equipment generate excessive noise. Transport and logistics, airports, railways, and road transport workers are exposed. Impact of NIHL. Health effects, permanent hearing loss, tinnitus, communication difficulties. Economic impact, reduced productivity, increased medical costs, compensation claims. Social impact, struggles with daily interactions, isolation, and mental health issues. Legislative measures in South Africa. Occupational Health and Safety Act, OHSA, mandates hearing conservation programs. Regulations require workplaces to reduce noise exposure and provide PPE. Challenges in enforcement and compliance across industries. Preventative measures. Engineering controls, noise dampening materials, barriers, and quieter machinery. Administrative controls, job rotation, quiet zones, and noise exposure monitoring. Personal protective equipment, PPE earplugs and earmuffs for workers. Training and awareness, educating workers on the risks and proper use of hearing protection. Regular hearing tests, early detection and intervention for at-risk workers. Conclusion. NIHL is preventable with proper workplace measures and enforcement. Employers and employees must work together to reduce exposure. Raising awareness is crucial to protecting South Africa's workforce. Contact us for all your PPE needs.